guys, to yet another unboxing. So, let's see what we got here today. Oh, yay! Pure white. Now, I'm guessing this has what I need, the little pens, for me to be able to... There we go, yes. So with this I can also try the other one that I got recently. I think that those should be compatible. And let's open up the box here too, so you guys can see what comes in the package. And I gotta turn it around. It is the Pur-well Living, and as you can see here, you have 2 more of those pens, although this seems to be the same as the other one, as in this one, and this is different, so I'm not sure what that means. We'll have to find out. It's got the thing that you stick in your mouth here with the LEDs, same as the other product that I showed you recently, and it has one of these cool little adapters, so that will allow you to connect it directly to your iPhone, iPad, or Android technology, and still use it fantastically well. Has this instruction booklet on there, and I guess we'll test it out and see how that goes in the next video. Thanks for watching.